Shiba Inu demand is increasing, and the launch of the Metaverse has resulted in the inclusion of the SHIBA token in Bitcoin of America ATMs. According to CoinMarketCap, the Shiba Inu coin is presently the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency on the market. Because of the increasing demand for and popularity of Shiba Inus, numerous trading platforms have decided to include the token on their list of cryptocurrencies. However, according to rumors, Bitcoin of America has introduced the popular meme token SHIB to their Bitcoin ATMs, making it the first company to do so. Shiba Inu will now be available at all Bitcoin of America ATMs, which are automated teller machines ATMs that allow users to convert or liquidate their cryptocurrencies straight into fiat money. Besides offering exchanges for the latest Shiba Inu token, Bitcoin of America also provides exchanges for Litecoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, which was recently introduced to BTMs for the convenience of cryptocurrency users. This development follows the announcement by the Shiba Inu team of the creation of its own metaverse dubbed SHIB the Metaverse, which has virtual territories with a total of 100,595 plots. Shiba Inu fans will soon be able to purchase virtual land through a series of events that will be held on the official Shiba Inu Metaverse website, according to the newest update. When will the Shiba Inu be added to the Robinhood database? The Shiba Inu, on the other hand, is yet to be included in the famous Robinhood trading site. Despite widespread public outcry and appeals, the Shiba Inu will not be included in the Robinhood dog registry. We're a highly regulated company in a highly regulated industry, and we think it's important that we get a bit more clarity from regulators. Robinhood's Chief Financial Officer CFO Jason Warnick had previously stated, highlighting the popular trading platform's cryptocurrency priority and future plans of listing cryptocurrencies. He did, however, remark that the company is aware of the innumerable requests it has gotten from cryptocurrency investors to include Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies in its portfolio. In addition, the Robinhood spokesman stated, "It is not lost on us that our clients and our stakeholders would like to see us offer additional currency." Shiba Inu has already been listed on 99 various trading platforms all across the world, including the United States. The Shiba Inu Robinhood listing campaign, on the other hand, has been ongoing since the second half of 2021, and the SHIB army has been working around the clock to ensure that the Shiba Inu Robinhood listing process takes place as soon as possible. Shiba Inu, a solution for Layer 2 Shibarium, is currently in the alpha phase and will be released in the beta phase shortly. The burn gateway for Shiba Inu, a popular meme token, is almost complete, and users will be able to receive prizes as a result. According to a source close to the Shiba Inu community, Shibarium, which is now in the alpha phase, will soon go into the beta phase of development. Because of the huge advances in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, including the popular meme tokens, key developments Shibarium and Shiboshis, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is developing day by day. These developments have the potential to be true game changers in the cryptocurrency field in the near future. Despite price changes, the meme token has managed to attract the attention of investors and crypto influencers, earning it the 15th position on the prominent cryptocurrency tracking portal CoinMarketCap despite the bear market. The continual growth of Shiba Inu projects, as well as the support of the SHIB army, have ensured that the altcoin remains at the top of the list of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market. Shiba Inu eclipsed Bitcoin in terms of popularity in 2021, becoming the coin with the highest number of views, with 43 million more views than the largest cryptocurrency in the world. According to Watcher Guru, although the SHIB team concentrated on partner SHIBs in 2021 to aid in the growth of the altcoin, the theme for 2022 will be the development of the network itself. Shibarium. Shiba Inu devotee and social media personality Milkshake confirmed the news on Twitter, writing, "From the dev at Caldheria, as of today, #Shibarium is confirmed to be in the alpha phase and will be going to beta phase in the near future." Aside from that, the Shiba Inu dev brought attention to a number of other significant changes in the SHIB ecosystem, all of which are worth noting. An unprecedented number of Shiba Inu debuts are planned for the year 2022. Shiba Inu enthusiasts have a lot to look forward to in the coming months, with everything from stablecoins to SHIB the Metaverse. In a recent tweet, the developer stated that the burn gateway is almost complete and that users would be able to benefit from it by receiving rewards through it. Also mentioned during the SHIB Binance AMA was that this would be the case. Currently, according to CoinMarketCap, SHIB is trading at $0.000025991, which is down by minus 3.02% in a day's trade, with a market cap of $14,224,583,951, while the world's largest decentralized cryptocurrency Bitcoin is trading at $45,259.22, which is down by 3.01% in a day's trade, with a market cap of $860,117,485,351 according to CoinMarketCap. 1 cent dream of Shiba Inu. As Shiba Inu influencers and investors point out, all it takes to replace the zeros with numbers is a series of bull runs along the lines of the one that occurred in October 2021 when the meme currency called the Dogecoin killer skyrocketed to 360+% in a span of just 3 days. Though the Shiba Inu token has been long associated with meme coins, the development team behind the token has recently stated that they are willing and able to move away from that label. This despite the fact that their white paper contradicts this fresh pivot. In spite of this, a pair of recent new pieces indicate that SHIB may have a chance of being taken more seriously by mainstream cryptocurrency investors in the near future. In the first instance, Bitcoin of America, a digital currency exchange that also specializes in Bitcoin ATM machines known as BTMs, announced that crypto enthusiasts would soon be able to conduct trades of Shiba Inus through its network. Bitcoin of America has more than 1,800 BTMs spread throughout 31 states, according to the company. While the inclusion of a Shiba Inu may not be a game changer, it does lend credibility to the token, which was much required. For the second time, the Indian Express stated that Shiba Inu is launching their own Metaverse, which will have 100,595 plots of virtual land. According to the report, SHIB developers sought to mature the network by abandoning the meme coin moniker and delivering something substantive to the underlying community. As a result of this decision, the Metaverse, a fascinating and somewhat contentious progression, fundamentally symbolizes the next generation of connectedness and is therefore worth exploring. While the so-called Web 1.0 introduced the internet to the retail market and the Web 2.0 enhanced its utility through the creation of structured ecosystems, the Web 3.0 facilitates the decentralization of informational transactions, thereby reducing the undue influence of large technology corporations on the market. The Metaverse has the potential to play a significant role in the implementation of Web 3.0 by enabling individuals to detach more aspects of their lives from centralized control structures and upload their identities and data wealth to digital decentralized platforms in a scalable manner. On paper, the notion appears to be quite intriguing. Although Shiba Inu has expanded its footprint and has goals in the metaverse, prospective investors should exercise extreme caution before investing in the company. While virtual real estate has recently been a popular purchase, the long-term feasibility of such a novel environment has never been thoroughly investigated. Furthermore, with nearly 19,000 cryptocurrencies available for trading, SHIB is just one unlucky incident away from losing its substantial significance. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more such content.